guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today because I'm not gonna waste any time talking because this is my most favorite thing ever. I did a clothing haul. Well, it was a haul, but it was purses. I'll put up a link. And then I did a second haul, which was actual clothing items. We'll also put up the link. Now we're moving on to my most favorite thing, which is jewelry. As you can tell, I'm really excited about this. So I'm just gonna get into it, but of course I am going to ask you to subscribe and turn those notifications on. Okay, enough talking, let's do it. So while I'm actually making this, while I'm actually speaking to you, I'm going to be trying on at the same time. So bear with me if I'm looking down. That's because I have a mirror right here and I'm trying to see what those items that I got look on me. So just an FYI. Now let's talk about the first piece that I got. So first piece is these beautiful earrings. Let me show you. As you can see, I got this from Mango and it's like this rubbery type of texture at the bottom and then gold at the top, which I thought was a really cute twist. And look how big they are. Like these are like drop earrings and they're so cute. They also have the back closure, like the post things on the back. I don't know what y'all. Somebody please tell me in the comments what you call the things that you put on the back of the earrings to keep them in place because I really don't know. So for these, I'm gonna remove my necklace because these are pieces that you definitely don't want to wear with a necklace on. These are actually like matching with my, this is an off-the-shoulder top, it doesn't stay in place. This is actually matching with the top that I have on right now. Love it. This isn't even usually my style. I would probably buy drop earrings like this, but all gold. But I saw this and I was like, oh, this is a fun, cute twist. So this is something you could wear with like plain outfit, like a white outfit or black or neutral. There's a tons of ways. This could definitely be that pop of color I'm always talking about in my videos when I say that when you create an outfit or wear something, you can throw in that one ingredient that makes everything just flow together and be cohesive. This would be that one piece. I love it. What do y'all think? I love it. But yeah, I was saying that on the carton thingy, it says on this that it came on, it says that it's biodegradable. I don't know if you can see that with this light, but it says it's biodegradable and that it's highly quality plant-based. So it was made, it's a plant-based thing, and it said that it's compostable material. So that means that it could probably be reused. It's natural material that could be reused for something else. So it came from the sustainable collection and it was printed in 3D. So they designed by computer and then they printed in 3D version. That's pretty cool. So this came from Mango. I can't remember how much it was, but it will be in the description box. Best believe it. So what's the consensus of this one? Do we like it? Is that something that any of you guys would see yourself wearing? Because this isn't even my style, but I absolutely am going to rock these babies. Let me get it close to you so you can see. So it's this round flower earrings. They're gold-ish, gold tone. It actually came from Forever 21. You're probably wondering who still shops there in 2020, but let me tell you, Forever 21 has the greatest deal on jewelry. It used to be Charlotte Russe when they were still open, but they went bankrupt a while back. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. Okay, let me try the other side so you can see better. Okay, this is what the other side looks like. These are huge. Okay, so these are about 1.5 inches, I believe, the diameter. So they're pretty thick and the length is about I would say probably 1.5 also. So it's probably 1.5 round altogether. So this is what it looks like. I would probably not wear these with a necklace, as you can see, because these are already like, whoa. Let me try to put my necklace in my shirt. Yeah, if I rock these, it would just be like this. Yeah. I believe they were $7 or $6. I'll put the link in the description box in case anybody's interested. Okay, let's move on to the set. So let me get close and show you this oval shaped kind of stud right here. And also it has the back closure thingy that I was speaking of, and I was like, I don't know what they call them. I still don't know, guys, what they call them. Hey, I am here for these pieces. One of my biggest dreams is to have my own jewelry line. I am manifesting this because I'm obsessed with jewelry. I am manifesting this. Okay, what is the consensus? So these are the oval pieces. These are also about 1.5 in length, but I think thickness wise or width, it's probably an inch. So I'd say this is 1.5 and like 1 going horizontally. Now this I would actually wear with the necklace because it's not the drop ear, it's not the flower earring that I just tried on. So it's not a huge, it's not too much of a clash if I wear my necklace and those earrings. When I look in the mirror right here, it looks actually pretty nice. But tell me what you think. Do you think these are too big and they should probably be worn on their own? Because I think this is one of the pieces that I could actually just, you know, wear with this and I'd be good to go. Okay, also came from Forever 21 and I believe the price range was also between $5 and $6, still under $10, so I think that's a great steal. These are also flower earrings. You're wearing this on your face and that's all. No necklace, no nothing. The other pieces I told you were about 1.5 inches, 1 inch. This is like 2. This is actually pretty thick. And so, again, statement piece that you can easily add to your collection. That's the kind of pieces I'm talking about. Of course, it's gold. This was a limited edition collection, so it's not biodegradable like the previous one I just tried on, but it also came from Mango. So let's try on and see what those look like on me. Like these bags that come with the plastic rim around them, I feel like they don't stay on my ear well, as well as the smaller ones. I always have to switch when my earrings come with the plastic ones for these ones. This is it. Yeah. Even though it doesn't say it on the website, it looks like these were also 3D printed because they're just so thick, the way they made them. It's like they were almost designed by computer and then, you know, printed. But let's see. Oh yeah, these babies. Whoop. So this is the ones that came from Mango, and these are the first pieces that I tried from Forever 21, and these are the ones from Mango. I actually should point out that these are definitely pricier than the ones from Forever 21. Mango just in general has a bit of a pricier range of items. So again, can't remember how much they were, but you best believe the link will be in the box. Description box, that is. But yeah. This is what gold, I'm looking at the mirror and gold just works with me. I don't see myself wearing silver. Gold is just something that works well for my skin tone. At least that's what my mirror is telling me. I don't know if it's the lighting in the mirror, but what I'm seeing right now is really cute. Okay, so these came from Mango. The next piece I'm going to show you also came from Mango, and then we're going to move on to a different store. So guys, these are the other Mango pieces. Let me get close and show you so you can really see the detail. So you see that it's like in this foil type of pattern, like the way the earring is. It's like this foil type of pattern, if you know what I'm talking about, like the way it's made on the inside. It's like very, I don't know, like when you've crumpled foil paper, that's the vibe that it's giving. And it has this white, where is it? Right there. It has this huge white pearl in the middle. I thought it was cute. These are definitely things that I would wear to an actual event, like something that requires like not like something that's formal. I would probably even wear to like a black tie event just because of the pearls. To me, pearls just aren't something that you should wear on a daily basis. It's the one type of jewelry that should be reserved for very cute, fancy, special occasions. So let me show you this is what it looks like. Now, again, well, these are not limited edition like the others, and it also doesn't say that they're made with biodegradable material. But let's see.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Like right now, this is jewelry porn. You know how like sometimes you have good food and you call it food porn? This is like jewelry porn because all these items are just ridiculously cute and amazing, and I love it. What? I mean, come on, Mango. Come through. Look at that. I'm not even gonna ask you if you like this or not, because if you tell me that you don't like this, something is wrong with you, and that's that. So we're not even gonna discuss this. I won't even ask your opinion on this. I'm kidding. Feel free to give me your opinion. But of course, I love them. Duh. Okay, so these also Mango. I think this is all the items that I got from Mango. So let's move on to the next door. I got something from PrettyLittleThing next. So let's show that. Right, these ones from PrettyLittleThing are also going to be going out item. I'm going out jewelry, and this is what they look like. Look at the cute black stud. I don't know if you want to call it stud, but the cute black piece in the middle. And then it's a bit sparkly. I'm sure you see that it's a bit sparkly. You also see that it has some pearls around the black center. These are 2 inches, I believe, in length, and diameter, so meaning across, it's probably, I'd say 1.5. All of the jewelry that I purchase is always in that range just because I like big flashy things. So oh my god. Oh my goodness, I am getting my life with this haul. I am so glad that this pieces finally got to me because it was just taking so freaking long. Again, because of like Corona and all the delays. These are just freaking gorgeous pieces. It's like going out cute statement pieces. I love these. Wow, look on the other side. Oh my gosh. Okay. Do we still need to discuss whether you like it or not? Because I can say you like it. I mean, who wouldn't? PrettyLittleThing. Wow. This, like, I'm saying this and I'm saying a look that I would love to recreate just with the hair down. Let's just talk about the next one. So again, what I'm about to show you is going to be, it's basically following the same trend, the same theme of the previous ones I just showed, and they are also going out. Now these ones came from Boohoo. And they are huge. I mean, if you thought the other ones were big, these are even bigger. And look, we go again with the huge pearl in the middle. I really do have a type. I know if my sister is watching this, she's gonna tell me that these earrings remind her of someone. If you're watching this, you know who I'm talking about. Sister, I'm talking to you. These are like 3 inches. I would say even 3.5. This is, again, going out, formal type of event, wedding. This is not your everyday, go to school, go to work, or just walk out the house. I mean, you could if you wanted, but I absolutely wouldn't. And of course, gold. These were, I think these were $8. I wonder how much I spent in total with this jewelry. I know for a fact it's definitely under $100. Okay, y'all, come on. Let me try the other side. This is why I keep saying that at this point I need to just shut up and just try the things on, because I don't know what comment I could make. They're big, they're bold, they are definitely sexy and cute, and they are huge. Do you see why I say that you don't need anything on your neck? Like, definition of a statement piece. They are not heavy. You would think that because you're so big, they would be heavy on the earlobes and they would like pull them down or drag them down. They are absolutely not, which is a good thing. Yup. I am in love with my purchases. So how many pieces did I show you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 pieces that I got. Tell me in the comments which one did you like the most, which one did you like the least, which one was your favorite, which one would you rock, or which one you absolutely wouldn't. I love all of these. And of course, you know me, I have more stuff coming on the way because like literally that's what I do. I shop. I just shop for cheap pieces that I know are going to be a great addition to my closet. Now, I'm showing them to you right now. You're probably not even gonna see me wearing these pieces like anytime soon because I buy and keep stuff, and then when the opportunity comes or the right time comes, that's when I wear them. So this is how I build up my collection. I just wear stuff over time. I don't tend to wear everything that I purchase at once. So I'll put all the links again in the description box, at least for the ones that I can try because that I can find. I know some of them are like probably sold out right now. But I'll put them in the box and please tell me which one you like. I hope you turn those notifications on and you subscribe to this channel because you never know what I'm gonna pop up with. So stay tuned. Until then, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.